I'm gonna teach you a super easy dessert with just 3 ingredients. Come on, okay? So get yourself 2 cans of crescent rolls. I like to roll mine out a little bit more with our baker's roller. Apple pie filling and 1 container of cream cheese. So we're gonna take this out. You just need 1 block of cream cheese in the microwave, about a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You just mix that up. Let's go to our apple pie filling. Okay, so then you take the end pieces right here, the triangle, the tip of the triangle, and you just kind of tuck it under. And then this goes in the oven as well.